Solve the equation 2x squared minus 2x equals the quantity x plus 1 squared. Let's find x together. First, we'll use some short multiplication formulas. Next, substitute the values and expand the brackets. Now plug these into our equation. Rearrange it so one side equals 0. Time to group the terms together. Let's examine the coefficients. Use the root formula here. Substitute the values and solve for x. Calculate the squares and multiply them. Factor 20 into 4 times 5. Break down the root of each factor. Find the square root of 4. These are your two solutions, one by addition, one by subtraction. And that's how we solve the problem.